Hello, I'm going to try and do a quick video on changing out my air filter. I changed the oil, when was it? It was Sunday when I came back from the farm, and I ended up feeling sick by the end of the day. Monday I went in and had got a test, and I managed to win the coronavirus, the Wuhan flu or whatever it's called. So I was sick and didn't get a chance to do the air filter. Let's see, can you see my hand? Yeah, let me turn on a light here. This is my method. I'm certain there's many ways, but what I'm going to try and do is to remove the cover. Okay, this is zeroed. In order to remove the cover, and of course most of my tools are in Tennessee, I pull back on the red lever, squeeze, and pull off the mass airflow sensor. Okay, and then let's see, the next thing is there's clips around the front of this that you just simply pop off. Let me try and put the camera there where you can see those clips. Set the light here. I apologize for the light, but there's one of the clips, and they just go across the front. So let me set this here. Okay, and there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of them across the front. And then I should be able to rotate this up and out. Okay, it's trying to come out. You saw that? Come forward. Got to be careful there. It looks like a fill line for the AC or some type of pressure line here. I don't want to hurt. Okay, that's pushing against the one clip, which I can't get to sit down. Is that far enough? Am I going to have to remove the tube? Stand by. Okay, well, the way that appears to work here is I'm going to have to pull the filter from here. There is of course, no tools right back here. Hopefully you're seeing me as I point. Let's see if I point here. Can you see it? Yeah, it looks like it's on camera. But what's going on is there's a clamp, a big clamp that holds on it squeezes down on the baffle or this cover, and you just loosen it up and see if I can get it to push forward. Okay, come on, baby. Let me loosen it up some more. Trying to get it to move. Okay, it's coming, but I'm gonna have to move the camera so I can get enough force on it here. Okay. There we go. There we go. All right. Okay, so let me put you back in view here. You know, one thing about that virus that I noticed. Okay, here it comes off. That I noticed is I do not have a sense of smell or a taste, and that's almost a mixed blessing at the moment. I hope it comes back. Right, if we take a look, you can see that the air filter really isn't all that bad. But since I'm here, excuse me, the cost, this is a $55,000 truck that I'm certainly you'd have to pay $80,000 for it now. So what I do is this is the part number, and we're here, and my labor is $1 million an hour, but in essence, I'm simply gonna replace it. Keep the old one just in case for a while. But what'll happen is I'll look at it and order a new one. This is it, supposedly OEM. And I'm gonna set it back in place. But you can see it's relatively easy. A lot of stuff in maintenance that these people have thought out. Here's a clear picture of that screw. Oh, I didn't show the camera. There was nothing dirty in there. It's a relatively clean truck. And I'll get another filter. Man, it does look good too. It's on order. It's every 7,000, 8,000 miles, and I guess you can go farther, but there's no reason stressing the poor girl. It's not failed me yet. 79,000, basically 80,000 miles with no issues, no hiccups. So, that being the case, let me set this on up there, gauge it, set it down, and I'm sorry I'm going to have to move you guys again, but I can only do so much of this working and maneuvering very well without being right in front of it. And I'm certain professionals do it a different way, but maybe they don't. Okay, there we go. Looks like it's lining up. And rotating this down a little. Let me get all this lined up, and I'm going to have to move you out of the way because I'm going to kick you. And I don't want to kick over the camera. Okay. All right. Come back here just so you see. I had to use fingers. If you look there, it slides in at that point. I'm going to push it forward, and we're going to get it to settle in on top of there. Then I'll tighten it all back up. Let me set you. And yeah, forgive me here. I didn't take a shower this morning. I'll do one this evening, but I just wanted to check my oil, which is fine. That was my plan, was to check the oil. Not this morning. It would have been Monday after work, and then I was sick, and then I had to wait for them to say, you know, what type, the virus, and okay, on their second go around where they decided to go all the way to my brain, that sample proved that I had it. And so what it was SARS-CoV-2, I think is what it was. So got this, got the replacement. And I know I have this somewhere. There that is. This is the last portion to put on. Can we see it here? Yeah, you can see it. And that's basically it. Let me zoom in on this real quick. Just so you can see the connection, because sometimes it's hard to remember. Okay, zoom in. Okay, see, there's a connection. Okay, it basically works where you push and it releases, but you install it like this. Okay, and once it's installed, the red piece you push forward, and that's how you typically see it. And when you push forward, it doesn't allow you to push down. So to remove it is you pull back on this, like so, push down, and then pull, and it comes right out. So let me get it back in, put it in, and we're good. The filter's changed, air filter, and that's all that there is to it. And there's a bright picture of it. Thank you. Guys, have a good day. Now I got to work on a transmission to a Maytag.